So here's the thing. I moved to Gjøvik, 2 hours north of Oslo. I've left all known behind as I'm starting to study programming. Exciting, right? The place I live now doesn't actually have a garage or something like that, so poor Alice has been street parked for the past month or so. And as terrifying as that can be, I was actually contacted by a company called SIZZAPP right before the summer, and they make GPS trackers for motorcycles. Will this little device help ease my street parking anxiety? Alright, so full disclaimer, I was sent this device for free. I have not received any payment to make this video. SIZZAPP has not seen, verified or checked this video before it's live for everyone to see. So that's your disclaimer. I got this product for free. Now let's continue watching the video. So while I'm installing this device in the background, which is actually quite easy, you just hook it up to the battery of the bike, download the app and then register and bam, you're connected. But what does it actually do? So some of the things that you can do inside the app is actually monitor your battery voltage. Of course, you can also see the GPS location of your bike, and it also tracks while you're actually riding. So you can see where you've been and how far you've ridden like that day. And maybe most importantly, for me at least, I can get a notification on my phone when somebody moves my bike. Now, this device also packs a lot of different features, like social features, like sharing your ride, planning with your mates when to go for a ride and stuff like that, but that's not really what I'm interested in with this device. I'm more into the protection side of things and all of that. But if you want to check out all the other features that this device can offer, go check it out at SIZZAPP.com. So do you actually need a GPS tracker on your bike? I mean, I already have AirTags on my keys, all my keys, but that is kind of a different story because if somebody steals my bike and it has an AirTag on it, the AirTag would actually alert the thief that there is an AirTag on the bike. The SIZZAPP device itself will of course not alert any thieves or anyone trying to take your bike, but it is on the, I would say, larger side. So it's going to be more difficult to kind of hide it than an AirTag on the bike. On my Aprilia, I didn't find really a place to kind of hide it, so I had to have it under the seat. And if anybody knows what this device is, if they're trying to steal the bike, nothing stops them from just yanking it out of the battery or clipping the actual wires. Now, of course, there are a lot of different GPS tracking brands out there, but SIZZAPP is one of the greater ones in my opinion because you don't have to have an actual subscription fee. A lot of these companies make you have like a monthly fee that you have to pay to be able to have the system running. But no, SIZZAPP, 275 euros for the whole thing, one-time fee, and that's it. Now, of course, $275 is a lot more than an AirTag, for example, but this is a dedicated device, and it doesn't really prevent the actual theft, but you could easily find your bike if somebody steals it. So to end with the question I asked in the beginning, has this device eased my street parking anxiety for my motorcycle? Short answer is yes. The long answer is no. Like, street parking is always a thing. In Norway, we don't have the same like theft culture as, for example, in the UK, where bikes are stolen if you just leave it outside for 5 minutes. But there are some people that definitely will sit on a bike that is not theirs. And because of this device now, I'm able to know at least if somebody is sat on the bike. And if I'm nearby, I'll go and tell them off, I guess.